Today, I'm excited to share one of our completed projects, which is an indoor LED display panel project which designed and installed for one of our leading factories. This LED panel features a sharp 2K resolutions, built from many small LED modules carefully assembled to from one seamless display. As you can see, the setup process takes precision and time to ensure perfect alignment and performance. The system delivers a vivid visuals and stable operations. And it can also be customized for 3D display or outdoor application based on clients' requirements. At Talkcom, we are your trusted ERV partners, delivering reliable display and communication solutions that enhance workplace efficiency and strengthen corporate image. Thank you for watching our video.